Hello friends, welcome to my Techno Fun Logic YouTube channel. In this video, I am discussing about no-click profits review and live demo and my free bonuses. So let's start. This is my bonus page. If you want to buy this software, you click on this yellow button and you buy no-click profit and get my free bonuses. So this is my bonus page. I give you link of this page below the description of this video. Let's start. I discuss about what is no click profit. No click profit is a cloud based business growth platform that can help any business or individual grow their business. This can help for building viral social marketing campaigning that grows your social presence, engage your audience, generate new subscriber, and ultimately increase your conversation. So your product sell fast and you earn more money. Why is it necessary to use software? There are several benefits to using this software. So you can grow your Facebook audience, Instagram followers and engagement, grow your email list, sales, customer engagement, e-commerce store, mobile app users, Kickstarter and Indiegogo funder, YouTube audience, physical store, Pinterest follower, LinkedIn follower. Click here to see how it is a work. This is a demo video of no click profit. You click on this play button. Use how can you use no click profit? So you watch this demo now. Click on this new campaigning button and you click on custom. You give the name of campaigning title and you write down in description. You change date here, start date and end date. Please enter the URL and upload a new image from your laptop or desktop. Click on user setting and you click on Twitter, Twitch, Google's. Click on build subscriber. Action, you write down title here. Visit Facebook and add URL. Add a Twitter. You add pin to board. You write down description. Click on reward and link coupon. You write 40% coupon code. You write down message, use this coupon code to win great prizes. You add link here. You write down here, thank you for participate, and you message sent to winner, congratulations, you won. Message sent to non-winner. You select country here. Now I am discuss about funnel. The funnel pricing is a front end funnel. $17. Downsell is a $12. Auto number one is a unlimited version to create unlimited campaigning. Price is a $47. Downsell is a $29. Auto number two is a automated. Price is $39. Downsell is a $29. Auto number three no click DFY traffic. Price is $97 and downsell is $67. Audio number 4 is a no click done for you viral blogs. Price $97, downsell $67. Audio number 5 is a no click profit platinum Edition $97 price, and a downsell is a $67. Audio number 6 is a agency and reseller rights is a $97 price, and downsell is a $67. If you buy this non-click profit, you click on this button and you buy no click profit, and you get my free bonuses. This is my bonus page. I give you link of this page below the description of this video. You go there and check it. So let's go ahead to easy to use interface. Easy to use, no click profit interface is a very easy to use. Anyone can create their first campaigning with little to no assistant. You don't need any assistant. Our 33 possible user action to choose from, and highly customized reward. User can either give away a link, a downloadable file, or coupon code. You are no longer restricted to the kind of lead magnet. You can use a one-click social engagement tool. With just a click of a button, your visitor can follow you on social media, repost your content, share with a friend, comment, and much more without even leaving your page. And powerful viral sell should go viral with our one-click share features, and let visitors share your campaigning with their audience on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even WhatsApp. And easy integration with your favorite autoresponder, and a one-click email subscription. Build your email subscriber with authentic email from their Facebook, Twitter, Google, and Twitch account. No more worry about fake or misspelled email address. Mobile optimized campaigning page. Your visitor get the same rich experience on your landing page on mobile and tablet device. Embed on any website. Easily embed your campaigning on your website, so your visitor don't need to leave your site to complete the campaigning. Automatic message to new subscriber and intent. You write down here. The most important features is the powerful geo restriction and edge restriction. Restrict entrant by location for better targeted lead. Add single or multiple countries at once. Restrict campaigning by edge to restrict person outside your required edge limit. And reach deep campaigning analytics. Get real-time in-depth analysis of your campaigning. You show it. I am discussing about my bonus. Bonus number 1 is a Webby app turn NWP site into a fully fledged mobile app, iOS and Android. If you want to purchase this, you click on this button and you get instant access to non-click profit and get my free bonuses. Bonus number 2 is UltraVid create one-click video sites complete with monetization. And bonus number 3 is a VidPix. Lets you place buy button and option form even videos on top of your images. And bonus number 4 is a Logo Studio creates amazing logos with the push of a button from 100 of high quality templates. And last is a bonus number 5 is a vid content curates and monetize videos on autopilot, so you always have fresh, high converting and easy to rank content on your site. You want to buy it, you click on this button and you get instant access, non-click profit, and you get my free bonuses. You click on this button, you go to this page. This is a sales page of vendor. Now I am discussing about the vendor bonus. Bonus number 1 is a digital marketing mega video pack. Supercharge your business even further with this mega 40-part video course collection of free business video pro. And bonus number 2 is a full lifetime access and white label rights to our in-house built app, SocioClicks social media app, and turn every picture you post on social media into the viral traffic machine. And bonus number 3 is DFY viral marketing. And bonus number 4 is video marketing technology, full video max funnel license. Commercial license plus agency kit plus reseller license worth is a $997. Social auto poster. Bonus number 6 is a social media income pack. Master resell right. Bonus number 7 is a social proof and formal notification for growth. And bonus number 8 is a Techify LMS powerful learning management system. And bonus number 9 is a content platform. And bonus number 10 is a 5 profitable done for you courses worth is a 993. I give you link of this page below the description. You click on this button and you learn more. So try non-click profits for 180 days and get your money back if you don't like it. Here is a quick recap of what you access includes no click profit app $997, value viral giveaway creator $597, and step-by-step training price is a $297. 10 fast action bonuses is price is a $7,979, and white glow support team is a priceless. The total real world value is a $9,489. Click the button below. You get no click profit at the lowest price. The grab no click profit now and save 80%. Normally price is a $97, but you buy today, so you get it only $17. Click to get no click profit. Thank you for watching my video. This is my bonus page. I give you link of this page below the description of this video. You go there and you click on this page and you click on this button and you buy no click profit and get my free bonuses. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you press on like button and you subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.